We're rolling.
Let's go nettle picking.
Okay.
We'll just walk through the front row.
We're going over the bridge?
Yep. Who made that bridge?
I did.
Some guy made it out of something that rotted.
But it's a little slippery.
It's very slippery. Look at the feng shui created. Lefty? Left go this way?
The other left?
Yep. Yep. A little wet and soggy on the ground, but these cedar trees are...
This trail was not here. Brien put this trail in.
I think there was some motocross.
Brien made this contemplation bench.
Take a right. Kind of a gorgeous big leaf maple tree here. Keep going. We're going to show Ingrid we can be there in 5 minutes.
Oh.
You're doing great. Straight, right, yep. Wanted to show Lark how the wood nymph makes it through the brush without poking her eyes out. Keep going. Hill or dale, yep. Got a fire hazard back here. Somebody's got to get to... So this netting is from a reprod after they logged this piece here probably 10, 12 years ago. Yep, you're doing fine. You can see this netting is designed to keep the deer off browsing. Yep, right to the right of that stump. Let's try right to the right of the stump. Yeah, this stump.
Oh, I found them here before.
Uh-huh. But come on, we don't want to waste film. Can you
So
get through there?
that way? Oh, sure.
Pokey little holly tree, non-native. That's that leaf there. Lefty. Yep. Straight. You're doing great. Little alder forest covered in English ivy. Veer right a little. Yep. So, yeah, we went for a...
No, like wet.
And we happen to be the spot where all this ground drains to that bridge. So what we're looking for is last year's nettle stalks. And I think this one is one. Flimsy, easily broken, doesn't have any.
This one's tiny, but it's not. Are we on? No.
Doesn't have any stickers on it. So
they're here.
the stalks do have stickers on them when they're alive. Let's see, I think Jenna's going to point to a couple of probable stalks and then point at the actual
new
leaf
growth
coming up.
The new growth. This isn't it. Is it? I guess so. No, it's not.
Well, this is, because I can see the point to it. that thing and the other one are two different plants. Okay, we're just going to have Jenna
tune in,
wander about this little swampy area right here, and I think we should access by this direction.
Okay. Oh. No.
Well,
The place we were at yesterday.
bigger ones.
Big.
But what's in your left hand, Jenna?
Nettle stalk?
Yep. Yeah, I'm seeing.
Oh yeah, they're there. Can you see in there?
Got a serrated leaf. So
There's a little one right there.
we're looking for these stalks. Of course, they're not all that, but we're just gonna follow the wood nymph.
I guess it's kind of anticlimactic.
Well, that's
But
because,
it's the reality. We're looking hard.
well, we saw the stalks, so we know that they're here.
They all took here, but
They just aren't
a
up
nice
yet.
visual.
But I'm going to follow you this direction, and you're going to go slow. This is a nettle frond. Can't quite see it. We're just gonna follow Jenna. Okay, come around this way, which makes a hindrance.
Just being a little bit, yeah.
Okay, we're going this way. Okay, so this is a nettle patch. So get your little stick, Jenna, and extricate the sticks.
There's one. But you know what? How the root mass. Oh, there's a nice big one. But how does the root mass grow? Can I pull one up? This is all a root and shoots. Do you see where we're going here? And because it's so wet, it's easy for it to just keep expanding. But nettles will come up all along this root mass, which you are going to be eating if I send it to you. Okay? See, there's another one coming up. Here's a nice one. Look at that.
And see these dead stalks? Point to them.
Yep. This one? Look at how tall they get.
5 there.
Yep. Oh, yeah. This is all a patch. Oh, and see, there's some strong ones coming up. This is a good one. Here's a whole litter of them. These two are nice and big. This one's coming up right by its old stalk. There's one. There's one. There's one. They're all underfoot. These are all best eaten right as they emerge.
But they should be about twice as big.
Yeah. Well, some of them are. This is a good size. This is a nice big head. Right there.
Is it a world of abundance?
Yeah. There's one. There's one. There's a little one. And yeah, all along this wetland, they're coming up. There's one. There's one. There's one. Pick them until you get tired of bending over. There's one. Oh, there's a whole bunch coming up. I've seen them growing through rotten trees. Oh, this is a nice dark green one right here. We'll compare color. This is darker. But there's open sunlight here, so they'll get really tall.
So how far do you have to go hunting from
Home?
your bath, Jenna?
I'd say that's 300 yards. Is that a good guess? Oh, there's one. There's one. There's one. That's a good one. I like when there's a little bit of purple on the bulb. I think it's more power punched. Yeah, this is a good area.
Convenient.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is getting into the
Oh, that's
little
a good
shady,
one.
but almost
Oh, that's
worth
a nice one.
harvesting.
Yeah. Dark green. Sqirl, vitamin K. Probably a chain of different protein aminos.
Yeah, so
Our trail back, I know I find them. I've been here before. We could probably go back.
yeah, the creek, swamp works its way around here, goes way back in there, and that's where we were walking yesterday. So we're going to conclude this video.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for coming with us nettle hunting. Happy spring.